how to collab on Instagram, or in other words, how you can invite collaborators to your Instagram post. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in today's video we are going to be learning how we can collab on Instagram, so you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to collaborate on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then open the Instagram application. Once you launch your Instagram app, you have to go about creating a simple post by tapping the plus icon over here, and then here you will find the option called your post over here. So I'm basically going to select a random photo just to show you guys, and then I'm just going to hit the arrow icon from the top right, and then again I'm going to hit the arrow icon over here. Now if I wanted to go ahead and tag some people, I'd need to go to the tag people option, but if I want to invite collaborators, I just need to tap on the option called invite collaborator after I go to the tag people section. Now keep in mind that the invite collaborator option may not be visible in your account. That could be due to your privacy restrictions. Maybe you have a private account, or maybe you have a personal account even if you do have a public account. So you might as well want to try to switch to a professional account or a business account in general overall in order to get your stuff done, and then enable this option called invite collaborator, which is right over here. If it doesn't work, try to refresh the Instagram application a couple of times, or keep in mind that if you don't find it, after all, your account is simply not eligible to invite collaborators. So just keeping that thing aside, what we want to do is just tap on the invite collaborator button. I'll just go ahead and select a random person over here in order to invite them to my collaboration list, and then once I go ahead and simply add them to my collaboration list, it's just like tagging people, but it's a little bit different as to how you can tag people. Tagging means just basically tagging blatantly on a specific post, but collaborating means it's going to show up on both of your feeds as well. So now once you've done that, just hit the arrow icon, and once you post it, the other person is also going to get notified that they have been collabed on Instagram. That's all it takes to collab in Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.